Where to find sound amplifier on your Google Pixel phone and how to use it to enhance the sounds that you're listening to. This Google Pixel phone has Android 15 and let's do it. If you want to see that your phone has it, go into the quick access like this here, tap on the settings toggle right down there. Once in this section here, use the search option and type in the words sound amplifier. So you're going to type it in. And when you type it in and you search for it, it's going to take you straight to where it is. All right. It's part of the accessibility settings in case you want to look for it and go into it. Now, the thing about this, once you reach here, you want to go to the open sound amplifier. And you'll make sure that you have something connected to your phone, a wired headphones or a Bluetooth to make use of this. It won't work unless you have something connected to it. So there are different ways how the sound amplifier works. You either have the phone mic to enhance the sounds of the mic itself. So whatever I'm talking right now, it's going to enhance it just in case you can't really hear it from what the person is saying. And same thing for the headphone mic as well, would apply to that as well. Then you also have the phone media. The phone media is when it comes to sound. So it can be either the person talking or a song that you're listening to, and you can hear the difference. So currently, I don't have anything playing right now running in the background, but I'll just go into this song here so that I'll cancel that. Play it now so you can actually hear it. Well, I won't let you hear it because this is going to get copyright, but this is a song playing right now, and when I boost the quiet sounds, this is going to amplify the sounds that you're hearing. So this is going to be great for those of us who you would want to say louder music, but more clarity to it, like more depth to the song itself. This is going to be great for that. And the best thing of all, with this here, you don't have any ads running in the background. It's part of Google and you're good to go. And of course, once you don't like it, you just turn this off. And also for it to work, this has to be turned on. And again, the only way you can get this to work is if you have one of these USB-C headphones that are allowed for hearing audio, or a Bluetooth connected device. And that should be it for this guy here. Again, if you don't like it, just turn it off. Once this is turned off, that means the amplifier is not enabled, just so you know. Like and sub.